Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Love You Life, and welcome to another episode of Summer Declutter. Let's go to the next drawer. Whoa, look at that. That's crazy. Would you keep this in an attic along with your seasonal stuff, or would you keep it all together since it's like table linen? Today I wanted to tackle an area that I've already tackled once. These three drawers here I've already went through. This is where I keep all of my tablecloth linens, placemats, and unfortunately, photos. That should be upstairs. That should be in my office. I've just been putting it in there, and it's been there for the last I don't know, 10, 15 years. Let me kind of walk you back in the history of it all. I am a full-time caregiver, first-time stay-at-home housewife. We moved my mom in after her suffering from a massive stroke, and so I'm her full-time caregiver, and I sacrificed our formal dining room with my hutch and my dinette. I had a solid wood table that could fit 10 people with the extra leaves in there, so it was a pretty big size formal dining room set, and that's all in the garage, you guys, and it's been there since 2015 when we moved her in. And I really didn't have a place to store my extra dishes and everything else that I mainly used for holidays or entertaining. I had to be creative, and I used these bookcases. I have two that I have in this area. These drawers down here are for my table linens that used to be in my hutch, my placemats, and to be honest with you, I really don't know exactly what I have in there. And let's just see if I can make this space work more, because I know there's stuff I need to get rid of. So let's get started. As you can see, this is this is just some of our photographs. I'm having a hard time. I can't really fit much in there anymore. Yeah, let's go ahead and take everything out. I know some people will put their table linens along in their linen closet, but my linen closet is upstairs. I don't know. I just think it's just easier this way because our kitchen table's right here. Because the photos are taking this whole drawer, it doesn't make sense for me to leave my placemats right here, right? I think they should all be together. And this has been a pet peeve of mine, and today I'm going to take at least 20 minutes and make it happen today. Small project. It's only decluttering, no cleaning, no organizing. Well, just a wee bit of organization. But let's see what I can let go of, or what shouldn't really be in these drawers. So I have my two plastic bins. I'm going to see if I can place those photos in here so I can take them upstairs. Ooh, my crock pot is going on in the back and it smells so good. Alright, I'm not going to really go through all of them to declutter, not unless I see something, but for the most part, that still has a camera roll.
I will have a decluttering motivation video every week on Thursday throughout September. Also, my friends Michelle at MyEveryDayWifeLife on Thursdays and Karen at This Manor's Mom every week. So make sure you check out their weekly videos as well. I'll list both of their channels below. Together, we're supporting one another on our ongoing decluttering. I mean, it's great when we get some decluttering motivation.
Obviously, these are not photos.
If you like these type of decluttering videos, you came to the right place. I have a list of playlists. You can watch all of my decluttering throughout the years, like 30 bags in 30 days with Sophia at My Great Challenge, and the Minimalism game with more of my friends on YouTube earlier this year, just to name a few.
It all fit, yes. And I only have these right here. Oh, in this one. So these can all go up in the office upstairs. Well, there we go. One down. Let's go to the next drawer. Whoa, look at that. That's crazy. Let's go into the next drawer. I'm going to take everything out and place it on the table here. Look at that, my husband ironed this one here. This, I didn't even know that I had this, you guys. It was on clearance. Not like that matters, but I'm just saying, I didn't know I had that in there. The napkin holders that go to that. This used to be kept here for Jay's aunt. He used to visit, she smoked. So we don't have any other smokers that come around, and so I think I could probably get rid of these. Maybe I'll just keep one just in case, but we'll see. And that one's a pretty one. It's like a purple. Isn't that pretty? That was in the second drawer. Third drawer. Let's pull everything out. Jay went ahead and he also ironed all of these napkins. Got some more of the tablecloths. I have these. It says Happy Easter. Aren't they pretty? Haven't got a chance to use them yet. Got them, I think, at Joann Fabrics, I think. A table runner for Thanksgiving. Another tablecloth. Some more of the napkins. Tablecloth. Placemat. And then another tablecloth. More of the napkin ring holders. And that. Here is all the items that was stored in those 3 drawers, including all of the photos that are going to go upstairs. So let me go through all of this and put them in like categories, and that way I can see what I got. I'll be right back.
What I've learned through all the years decluttering so far is it never really ends. And there's no right or wrong way to decluttering. Whatever works for you is best, as long as you start somewhere. Some people go all in at first, or others begin with small projects like a drawer from the kitchen or bathroom. Either way, it does get a bit easier once you get your confidence in decluttering. My own personal decluttering journey has been both. I went all in at first and then tackled certain areas or zones. Now I'm revisiting some areas again and finding more items that need purging. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you get some decluttering motivation after watching.
These are from the cabinet up there. These are all my placemats that I have. And as I was going through, these are brand new. Look, I have 2 of these. Believe it or not, it's the same one, but I don't know if the camera's going to, if you can tell the difference. Because I washed these so many times, it's shrunk and they're different colors. So I don't know if I should just go ahead and donate these 2 because they're different, or should I just keep them and just use these and then wash them so they can get the same color. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, what would you do with these 2 that don't match? I mean, I got 4. I can use this for just J, Queen G, and I. That's what I've been doing. These ones down here, I have 6 to go for the whole table. Is it 6? 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6. So that's why I had 6 here, but I guess I didn't use these 2, so I'm not too sure what I want to do with those, but I think I'm going to hold on to them for right now. I have 6 placemats in this color here. I've had these forever, and those only come with these here. I like to keep these and use them on our back patio table. I don't know why, but I always do, and I always have a couple just so to use like as hot, like a hot what do you call it, like a hot pad. So, and I like to use these for my mom so that in case it's breezy out there, her paper napkin just won't blow anywhere. So these are all my placemats. Isn't that crazy? First, let me go ahead and put this all in the top drawer. This table runner I usually use for like Valentine's Day, Christmas, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and donate that one. And these are some July 4th towels, and I think I'm gonna donate those as well. So these can also go over there. This one here, I don't really have a need for this. So I'm going to go ahead and donate that as well. This is for my Thanksgiving runner or even fall. I like that. I want to keep that. But my question is because this is a season kind of deal, just like this one here. And I have these that I use for my table for Christmas or whatever. They're really heavy. They're beautiful. Got them at Pier 1. And I also have like that one and this one. And I still want to keep these. But my question is, they're seasonal. Would you like keep this in an attic along with your seasonal stuff, or would you keep it all together since it's like table linen? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm really curious about that. Okay, I'm gonna place this one at least in the top drawer. These are the ones I'm gonna grab the most. All right, so here we go in the top drawer. That's what I've been really wanting to do for like years, and today's the day, folks. This one I want to keep. I get a lot of compliments on this one every time I place it on the table. It's something different, something you can't find, you know, like at Kohl's or whatever. So I'm going to keep that one. This one I want to keep as well. And it has the matching napkins and the rings. Queen G was the one who gave us this in a picnic basket, but we're always using this because it's nothing too fancy. It does kind of help, you know, your table from the everyday. I like using this one. This is my everyday kind of throw on the kitchen table. This one, it's beautiful, but you know, I think I'm ready to go ahead and donate this one. I think I've used it so many Christmases. I just want something different, so that's going to be donated. I have a long white and then the matching white, and the reason is to fit the whole family. We have a folding table that goes right here, so it's almost like a T, and that just works. So until I can find something else, I'm going to go ahead and keep these two just in case, so I have it on hand. And then this one, I think I can go ahead and donate that one. So we'll donate that. If we have like a game night or a potluck dinner party, then I'll put this one on this table, and then I'll use this one for the folding table. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just keep that one, because I'll reach for this one and I'll reach for this one the most. So second drawer is done. Third drawer. I placed the plastic red tablecloth there, and that there, and the table runners, and I decided this will be kind of like the season drawer. I think I'll keep this one. This one's so basic, but this one's so pretty. If I'm gonna have to have an ashtray, if someone wants to smoke in the backyard or whatever, I like it to at least look nice and pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one and then donate that one. Okay, not too sure exactly what this is. Pollen removal cloth. Removes pollen from... I've never used this. I don't think I would. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it to somebody else who would benefit from using that. And then these are all like holiday stuff. That needs to go upstairs in my attic. So that needs to be elsewhere. These are going to go upstairs in my office. It's finally out of that drawer. Thank goodness. And then all of this is going to be donated and removed. Little by little, little by little. Don't mind the back. I got more space. See? Now they're over here rather than way over there on the other side. And it's close to the table. Genius! That has been bothering me for years, and I'm just now doing it. Crazy.
Hey, make sure to click on my icon to subscribe, hit that like button, and click on the next decluttering video right there.